Hello guys, welcome to the vlog, and today we are going to quick check and our first impression with these TPU tubes. This is right now Race Formula TPU tubes. Okay, this will be my main TPU tubes. I had a bad experience with the TPU tubes, kaya nag-research ako online and ito yung highly recommended nila. This one is the newer version, I believe. Ay yung mga old model nila ay plastic yung valves. Anyway, so this one is the Race Formula 36, siguro 36 grams, pero check natin later. And 700 by 18 to 32C. And okay, so may instructions sa likod. And 3 sizes, 45, 65, and 85. 65 yung kinuha ko since may 45 mm na rims ako. Okay, so check natin. Nabili ko pala sa Shopee for around 480 pesos. Okay, so check natin guys. Ayan. So, ito yung bago nila. Yung valve ay aluminum na, made of aluminum. Hindi na siya plastic. Yung madalas na problem ng plastic ay madali siyang sumingaw yung hangin. And if you're using a mini pump, electronic mini pump, natutunaw yung valve niya. Unlike this one na aluminum na. Ayan. Okay, so this one is the valve cap. And I think holder. And ito yung nakalapat sa rims para hindi magasgas. And may O-ring na siyang kasama para hindi magalaw. Ito yung manual sa likod. Ayan. Oh, may kasama ng stickers. Ito ay para ilalagay sa may valve. And ito naman ay patch kit, I believe. Ito yung pinapadikit mo dito sa valve para may extra layer of protection. Ayan. Yung butas sa tanggalin mo. And ito naman, cut out mo na lang. Lagay mo sa toolbox. Patch kit. Okay, so weigh natin guys. Ayan, 38.5.